This video is confidential, strictly for internal use only, not for external distribution. In this video, you will learn how to change, skip and revisit planned core positions, conduct needle deflection adjustment and patient movement adjustment. Step 6. Position. The needle positioning sequences will start with target cores, followed by systematic cores, then saturation cores. Click on Next Position to move to the first position for needle insertion. The current core position will be indicated on the top left. Target cores are labeled as T1, T2, T3, etc. As you can see, a white flash is seen around T3, which indicates that the needle has deflected away from the intended target T1. A needle deflection adjustment is required to correct the needle placement. Click on the tip of the white flash, marking the area in a red cross. Next, click on Needle Deflection Adjustment Function button. Click on either Yes to apply adjustments to all of the core or No to apply to only the current core. Click on Cancel if adjustments are not required. For now, we will click No. The robotic arm will make adjustment and move to a new position. Reinsert biopsy needle and observe ultrasound view. As you can see, the needle is targeting T1. After collecting biopsy sample T1, click on Next Position to move the needle guide to the next needle position. The previously completed core will turn red while the current core is shown in blue. In T2, we can still see that the needle is deflecting and will use NDA and apply the changes to all the cores. If a position was skipped, click on Skipped to skip the current needle position. To go back to the previous core, click on the previous position. A dialog box will appear. Select the core of interest from the drop-down menu and click Go. To dismiss the dialog box, click Close. The robotic arm will move back to the chosen position and the core can be taken. In the case where the prostate moves due to patient movement, use the patient movement adjustment to realign the prostate. First, click on Patient Movement Adjustment. In the Translations tab, left, right, up and down moves the prostate model, while forward and backward moves model towards apex or base respectively. In the Rotations tab, clockwise or anti-clockwise moves the model to the respective axis. Another way is to use the rotation bar, where moving it up rotates anti-clockwise and moving it down rotates clockwise. Moving step adjusts how large the movement is per click. Probe position adjusts where the probe will be positioned. Base moves the probe towards the base of prostate. Mid moves the probe to middle of prostate. Apex moves the probe to move to apex of prostate. Core center moves to the current core central position. Click on Confirm to apply the adjustment. Upon clicking on Confirm, the following message box will appear. The top option applies patient movement adjustment to current position. Middle option applies patient movement adjustment to next position. Bottom option return to previous screen to continue patient movement adjustment. A warning message will appear when the patient movement adjustment will cause the rest of the needle placement to be affected, which will bring us back to planning stage for checking and changes if needed. Here is an example of systematic cores which are labeled as C1, C2, C3, etc. Here is an example of saturation cores are labeled as S1, S2, S3, etc. In this example, S1 has two sample cores that are taken from the same position but at different depth. When all of the planned cores are done, the case can be finalized. This is the end of step 6. Position. Thank you.